am receiving money now. I have more than enough money. I am willing, ready, and able to receive money. I see abundance everywhere. I am a money magnet. I am grateful for what I already have and for all that I receive now. I have more than what I need. Money now comes to me from unexpected sources, and I am grateful. My income is growing higher and higher. I am a rich child of a loving universe. I have the power to attract money. I receive money happily now. Money flows to me easily. I am sensible with money and manage it wisely. I allow my income to constantly expand, and I always live in comfort and joy. I realize that money is essential for leading a good life, but that I should not make it the number one priority of life. The universe is the constant supplier of money for me, and I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. Whatever activities I perform make money for me, and I am always full of money. My bank balance is increasing every day, and I always have enough money for myself. Money and I are friends, and our friendship will never fall apart. I am a money magnet towards whom money is constantly attracted. Every day, I am attracting and saving more and more money. Money is an integral part of my life and is never away from me. I am debt-free, as money is constantly flowing into my life. My money consciousness is always increasing and keeping me surrounded by money.